this is just one aspect of Mimeo. This is Mimeo Interactive that can be used as a presentational tool. We have other things that Mimeo does, which is in capture. You don't need a projector for that. And we also have the Mimeo Pad. We'll be having a presentation later about the Mimeo Pad, which goes onto the student's knee. Now the beauty of Mimeo is the fact that it will just fold up in the evening, and it can be taken off the board, put right next to a child. The child can write on their desk, and then it will appear on the screen. So the beauty of it is the fact that it's portable and it's safe, and it can be used for children of all abilities. So that's it. So if you'd like to have a little look at the device, you can see how robust it is.
Rektorn på skolan välkomnar oss och förklarar hur deras satsning på IT har gått till med att låta eleverna få använda iPod Touch på sina lektioner.
We know that children in this school have lots of talents, and we know that it's our job to develop those talents, to equip them for the future. We know that they need challenging. And lots of these children here will come up with ideas that we haven't thought of, don't they? And we know that moving them on is our job. And so we need to give them challenges, don't we? We do that through English, words, science and dance and drama and art and the curriculum that we have these days, which is fascinating. But as far as I was concerned, and I have been here for 5 years, there was a missing link into developing the children to take them to the very heights of their intellectual development. You know what, I think this might be our link into challenging these children in a way that we haven't been able to do before. And sure enough, things have gradually gone in that direction. Unfortunately, we've been able to afford, with our limited budgets, some equipment, and you're going to see some of that this morning in action. Expertise from these children who've had the first go. You've been the pioneers, haven't you? You've been the people who've been able to use iPod Touches first in this school. It hasn't been the older schools. And these children have been using their experience to work with other children, to gradually disseminate through the school, and Mr. Barrett's experience as well, working with teachers and staff, so that gradually we can impact on the whole school.
But look up big and see what you can find.
Enormous.
En tanke som har slagit mig är även vad vi har för arbetsmiljö. Vad sätter vi på väggarna? Och hur sätter vi det på väggarna? Vad kan vi göra för att tänka på att vi skapar en lugn arbetsmiljö för barnen? En miljö som inte ger för mycket intryck, utan att det blir en kreativ, lugn, harmonisk miljö som det är lättare för barnen att lära i. Studiebesöket avslutades med tänkvärda ord från rektorn. Sen var det elevernas tur att svara på frågor från besökare och läraren om fördelarna med iPod Touch i skolan.
Learning is taking risks, and it's something that we've noticed with this technology. The children are very happy to take risks. They would try things out, and it's by taking risks and taking that leap into the unknown that true learning happens, isn't it? You know, and sometimes it's a bit uncomfortable. Do you remember when we talked about learning the other day, children? We said, oh, sometimes it hurts. And I told the children stories about when I learned to drive and how difficult it is to start with, but it's step by step, isn't it, along the way. And we found that technology enables the children to take these risks and help them with their learning, and for it to be faster learning. And it's learning that has a kind of a self-esteem attached to it, because you haven't got anybody standing over you going, oh, no, you've got that wrong, because you try again. And I think that's what you like doing, don't you? If you can't do it one way, they try another way, and that's all part of learning how to learn. So they're learning how to learn as well as...
Det har varit inspirerande och lärorikt att få delta av den här studieresan. Det blir nu mycket spännande att komma tillbaka till förskolan och se till så att barnen aktivt i vardagen använder de IT-möjligheter som finns hos oss. Smartboard, digitalkamera och datorer ska finnas i deras lärandemiljö i vardagen.